there. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for sharing, commenting, and liking. If you just see my face for the first time and you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love you to do one thing only for me. If it's in Cheesy Zero's voice. Okay, I would love you to do one thing for me, and I would love to click that cute red button that says subscribe and subscribe to my channel so that we can all enjoy this ride together. And I can all say welcome to the family. Since this zero is on this very soft glowy look, in fact my entire face is glowing. So if you want to see how I achieve this entire glowy look on my face, in my lips, my eyes, my cheekbones, please keep watching and don't go anywhere. I'm starting off this makeup tutorial with this primer from FAYRE GOLD, and I'm going to be applying this all over my face using the downward outward motion. So since this is a very soft and glowing look, I'm going to be using this liquid illuminator from the Ushers Cosmetics. I think it's in the shade 02. So I'm going to be applying this evenly around on my face, actually using my fingers. You can see how oh my god, this is so pigmented, and it is so affordable. It's so affordable and so pigmented. I like the way it glides on my skin. Unlike some other illuminators I have, I really have to mix this. So this, you don't really need to mix it with your foundation. You can just apply it alone before your foundation. So for this look, I'm going to be using my FAYRE GOLD foundation in 607. In 607, I have to let my other foundation rest. I'm going to be applying this. I'm going to be dotting the foundation on my face and using my regular foundation blending brush to buff this into my skin as well. So I'm going to be highlighting real quick when I'm done applying my foundation. I have a detailed highlight and contour routine video down in my channel. I'm going to drop the link in the description box. I'm using the same brush I used to apply my foundation to blend the concealer under my eye region into my skin as well. I'm going to be setting with the Hegai and Esther dual cover photo perfect loose powder or something. Guys, this powder is awesome. I think I prefer it to my FAYRE GOLD setting powder. This powder is awesome. It doesn't, I don't know, I just don't know how to explain it. And I was thinking it was going to be too light for me for highlighting, but to set my highlight, but it is so awesome and it's great. So I'm going to be setting all the places I applied the lighter concealer. Oh no, I didn't use the concealer, I used the light shade of foundation. That's the FAYRE GOLD foundation in the shade 507. So I'm also extending this setting powder on my eyelid. You can see what I am doing there. I really didn't want the foundation I applied there to crease, so I'm just going to be setting around my eyelid area as well. So I'm doing the reverse contouring. So that's it. Okay, so I'm going to be applying this on the center of my nose. So while I wait for this to set, I'm just going to be drinking a little water. Go easy, sharp. So I'm going to be taking this dark brown shade and I'm going to be using this as a crease color, a contour, a crease color, a transition color, and an outer crease color, because I am trying to achieve a very glowy look. So I really don't want so much drama around my eye region. So I'm extending this to my outer crease as well, doing the same thing for the other eye real quick. I'm going to be using the same brown eyeshadow to contour my nose, my cheekbones, before I end up dusting off the excess, loose powder around my highlighted areas. So I'm going to be using this eyeshadow. I'm not going to be doing anything, no eyeshadow primer, no concealer, no nothing. I'm just going to be applying this all over my lid, and just all over my lid. Then I'm going to be setting the rest of my face with the Milani powder in deep. I'm using this small powder brush. This is like an old brush I had since 2012. I didn't want to wash, I'm a stylist, so I didn't want to wash my Real Technique brush, so I had to use this, and since it was just for a YouTube tutorial. So I'm going to be lining my eyes real quick. I had to put this in fast forward because the video was becoming unnecessarily too long. I will try and put up a detailed how to line your eyes tutorial. So after lining the other eyes, I did a mascara and I wore my false lashes. So I'm going to be setting my face with the Kiss Beauty setting spray. to allow everything to blend in together. So my favorite highlighter is from Usher's, and I'm going to be using this on my cheekbones, and I'm going to be using it so well. Like, I have to glow, guys. I have to glow. So I'm using this everywhere I need to apply highlighter or bronzer on. So I'm also extending that same highlighter on my lips as well, using the NYX lip stain soft matte lip cream. I can't remember the name. Then I'm going in with my Milani lip gloss in Bare Secret, just to finish up the entire look. So I'm going to be lining my lips with the Davis pencil in 03 or 18. You all know you have to line your lips when you're wearing a nude lipstick. So guys, that completes the entire look, but you know, nah, I need to do my hair. So first of all, I'm wearing a pair of earrings. This is from the Royal Biba store. Felt good. Okay. So I was trying so hard to edit that part, but I didn't get too well. But you have to manage it like that. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video. No, I don't think I was quite finished with this look. There was no eyeliner. So I have to go back to line my eyes real quick and finish up the entire look. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do give me a fat thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next video. Have a fabulous day ahead, guys. Bye.